I will add the sugar to the water, and now you can see that it has started simmering, but the point we are looking for is that sugar has to become sticky. If you just look at this, yeah, this about sticky. I can feel the stickiness of my fingers. I can smell it. It smells nice. So when I take out and then I just make a ball, it should stick together and form a ball. That's how we want it to be. Okay. If the oil is too hot, what happens is it will burn the outside, but the inside of it will be uncooked. I think I like this color. The oil drips down, and then put these hot balls in the sugar syrup. Okay, let it soak for at least half an hour. And here are the gulab jamuns, and hope you make it.